Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Levi's vlog, the Everyday Adventure Movement. This is the next day of the snowstorm, and we have piles and piles, of course. And we got the landlord's plow guys are doing their best to plow us out, which is nice. And right now it's like a very fine snow coming down, so you can't really even tell that it's snowing outside. So this is, I think, video number 5 of the snowstorm update. And as you can tell, I'm all suited up in my Carhartt jumpsuit. Got my cup of coffee here and my thermos, my gloves, my little face mask. It's not like super cold outside, but I'm gonna be out there for a while, so I just want to make sure that I am gonna be protecting myself and my body. And also I'm gonna bring water with me and stuff. I can't believe that we got over over a foot of snow. It's just crazy, you know. But stay in tune, everybody. I got some people I gotta help shovel out, so it's gonna be fun doing that. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.